back to Beauty Runs Wild. So I'm here with the lovely
Hi.
Elise.
Hi, my name is Elise. I hope you guys had a great New Year. It's a new year.
Yes.
So today on Beauty Runs Wild, we will be showing you how to do a fishtail braid. I'm doing it with my auntie's long hair, and we're gonna get started. Okay, so you want to take two sides from a hair, and you basically want to make sure that you have a brush so you can like comb through it. Just comb through it, but very softly. If someone has like her hair too much, you basically want to grab one end like this. Okay. Then you want to grab the other end. And also, you want to make sure that you have like a tight thing. I like to do it tiny, but people like to do it big. I don't like to do it big because big makes it look messy.
Wait, I gotta hook this up so they can see Elise, because I don't think they can see.
Wait, hold on, pass me the camera.
Wait.
Okay, so basically, you...
Can they see you or no?
Yeah. So basically, guys, you want to have your thumb in the middle so you guys can create, like, the braid won't go everywhere. I'm going to grab another hint.
Can they see you in your face?
Okay. So when I have your thumb in the middle, basically like this, when I grab another one, another strand of hair, I want to make sure it's tiny, but not too tiny and not too big. I want to make sure it's the right size so I can do.
We don't want the money. The money was getting in the way of our happiness. Once we were eliminated.
So basically, this is how you do a fishtail braid. And you want to get tiny sections, just so tiny sections. Not too tiny though. And you want to put your finger right here. So if you let go, it wouldn't lose. You wouldn't lose the braid.
You know, floating away in a balloon directly into the sun.
Elise, how long can your hair be? Can it be like to your neck?
Your hair it has to be at least, okay, at least up to your shoulder. That is the standard that it should be to do a fishtail braid.
But would you be able to do one if it was like here to the neck?
To the neck, yeah, but
it's gonna be short.
It's just gonna be a tiny bit short. But you can still do a fishtail braid.
Okay, that's good to know. How did you learn how to do this, Elise?
So my grandma taught me how to do this. Basically, she does my cousin's hair, and I just watched how she does it, and I basically learned. Then I started doing it on my dolls, and then my auntie noticed that I can do a fishtail braid, and that's how I got to do her hair.
Braid better than the other braids?
Yes, because it's more neat and stuff than the other braids. The other braids are cool and all, but
can you wear this to a wedding?
Of course you can.
So this style is more classic.
Yeah.
What else do you enjoy doing other than hair?
Hmm?
Do you do other things other than the hair?
No, not really.
I better go get my money.
Yes, you do. Oh.
Yeah.
How do you keep it at night? How are you supposed to sleep on it?
Well, basically, you just want to tie your hair up and stuff, and you try to sleep calm when you're wearing a fishtail braid because it can get very nappy at night.
Not very messy.
Yeah, very messy at nighttime because you try to like you have to tie it up like perfect. You're allowed to tie it up and stuff, but you want to make sure that you're not putting too much pressure on it, or else it will come undone and it looks sloppy.
It's good to know.
Okay, guys. So this is the finishing touch, and I'm basically as a finishing touch. This is how it looks. I love it. I'm gonna show this video.
Lift my head up. I just wanted to come on here and show you all the final look of this DIY tutorial that my 10-year-old niece did on my hair. Okay, so let's just take a moment to really look at that. Look at the detail on that. She's so talented. It's so neat. And there she goes. Say hello. And yeah, it's so beautiful. So if you guys stayed until the end to finish watching this video, I truly appreciate all your support. And don't forget, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, give us a shout out. You want to see more tutorials by Elise? Let us know. And again, Thank you so much for watching, and your beauty runs wild. I'll see you next time. Bye. Today I just wanted to come on here. I wanted to do a workout.